When it comes to advertising on Amazon, using broad phrase is extremely underrated. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how it is and how you can start using it to get a lower ACOS and a better TACOS on your Amazon account. My name's Hayden Davison. If you don't know who I am, I'm the founder of ClickFox, which is an Amazon advertising agency. Recently sold a brand for 6 figures, and I'm currently building a new private label brand right now in the skincare niche. So broad phrase is something that most people do not use enough, right? The reason broad phrase is underrated is because when you look at something like exact, when you look at something like phrase, exact specifically, people are spending a lot of money on them because they're trying to get the exact search term. Not only people that are not experienced with Amazon advertising are going after exact because they believe it's the best one. Everyone's going after that because it's the most relevant search term. It's the specific search term people assume they should go after. And that leaves the ball open to other things. That leaves the ball open to broad. Now, the difference between broad and phrase is that phrase is also fairly related to exact. It's more related in the search that if you're looking for cat food, for example, you may come up for cat food vegan, for example. It's in the same phrase. When it comes to broad, because it's so broadly scoped out, there's a lot less competition. It means that if your product is good, if your images are good, if your title's good, if it's very clear, it means that it's going to be showing you to customers that usually wouldn't have seen that listing, right? And a lot of customers, unless they're just intrigued, a lot of customers won't click into that listing unless they're actually interested in that. Now, not only could it potentially get you a lot more in terms of the ACOS that you can achieve on that and extra sales, but it will get you it at a lower bid. So if you were to bid, for example, £2.50 on any specific keyword for your exact, you could get as low as 70 or 80p on the broad. And that's because there's a lot more room for movement in price because of the relevancy thing. And as I say, a lot of them customers you will still be able to get in, or a lot of them customers are new shoppers that don't actually specifically know they're looking for it, but they'll add it to their basket anyway, right? So Amazon's algorithm, don't underestimate it. Don't underestimate it at all. It could still get you potential customers that may be interested in your product, but aren't searching for it on a specific day, or they're sort of vaguely searching for it. They're looking for cat toys, for example, and they end up adding your cat food to their basket as well. The fact that you can also bid a lot less gives you a lot more lee room to test this stuff, right? If it's 80p and the others are £2.50 on exact, then that means you've got to get 3 clicks to the 1 click on the exact, which also, as I say, very, very important. If you have a good title, if you have a good image, then a lot of them may convert, right? Not only is broad good in itself, but it also allows you to discover other potential keywords. You should be running your broad campaign, running your broad ad groups as their own ad groups, as their own campaigns with a maximum of 3 to 5 keywords. Now, what you will start happening is you'll start testing them keywords, and you may actually discover from the search terms within that broad phrase, within that broad search term, you may actually start discovering more keywords that you can actually add to your exact campaigns. So my advice would be this. It would be turn your broad campaigns on, add some 3 to 5 broad keywords in there, see what the search terms come up with as well. And then with that data, you may at a later date want to start running some individual campaigns from your broad data, from your broad phrase feedback you get from the search terms, everything like that. Put that into their own individual campaign as well, with the lower ad spend as well, and you may just start discovering new keywords for your exact stuff at a lower bid, as well as getting some great sales from the broad. Basically, don't underestimate the broad. Broad can be an amazing thing to get amazing results at a much lower ACOS. People seem scared to use it, and there's a lot of spend going on the exact. Problem is with the exact is that you're not discovering new keywords, and you're also spending a ton on the exact data. If you want to contact me or my agency, hit the links below.